Hello all, welcome to the Computer Vision video lecture series. In this video, we will learn annotating images using OpenCV. Annotating images with geometric shapes and the text is a powerful way to communicate. It helps amplify the information on the images. You can use annotation for adding the information to your demos, drawing the bounding boxes around the object in case of object detection, and highlighting the pixel with different colors for the image segmentation. So here we will see how to annotate images using the various drawing functions in OpenCV. So let's get started. So first here we will be annotating image with a color line. Then draw a circle over the image. Then we will be overlaying an image with a field circle. Annotate the image with a rectangle and draw the ellipse on the image. And last, annotate the image with the text using the different font faces and the style. So these options we can use on the images. And with the help of this, we are annotating the images. So for annotating the images, first read the image with the help of imread. So here for that imread function, I am passing the path of the image. So here again for this video, I have taken the dog image, and first let me import the CV2. After that, I am opening or reading that image into the img variable, and here I am using imshow to display the image. So this is the code for reading and displaying the image, and if the image is not found or it is not there in that part, so it's simply printing that the print could not read the image. So this is how for simply for reading. Now let me run this. So here you can see the image is there. So this is the original dog image that I am going to use. Now I want to see the shape of the image. So for that I have written img.shape. So it will be showing that 640 by 427 and 3 channel. It is a color image. So that's why it is showing 3. Now here I want to annotate the image with a line. So let's use the line function which is there in the OpenCV. So the syntax of the line function is line. Then you are passing the image, that is the original image, and on that image you want to draw the line, or that image you want to annotate. Then starting point you are providing, ending point, color of the line, and the thickness of the line. So these arguments you are passing to the line function. So this is the syntax, and that simple syntax we are using over here. But before drawing the line, let me copy the original image. So what we are doing here, we are creating the copy of the original image. So you can see img is our original image. So I am just taking the copy of that into the image line. So here we will be creating the copy. Then on that copied image, that is on image line, on that image line I am drawing the line. So here this point A is the starting point, and that starting point is I have taken as a 80 comma 80, and the ending point is the 300 comma 80. So if you don't want to mention like this, so you directly write over here 80 comma 80, then 300 comma 80, and this is the uh, here you can see color of the image, and here it is in the BGR. So you can see B I have provided as a 0 value. For BG, for green I have provided 255. That means I want to draw the line in the green color, and this is the thickness is equal to 3, and here I have mentioned the line type as this. So if you want to see the syntax of this now, so first let me run, and you can see this is how I have drawn the line on the image. Okay, so here I am just focusing the users view. Like this is how I have drawn the image, and I have shown the image with the help of I am show. Here you want to see the syntax, so just go there and press shift tab. So you can see the syntax is there: line, image, point 1, point 2, then color, thickness, line type. So this is how you can provide. And again they have described that the point 1 is the first point of the line segment, point 2 is the second point of the line segment. So likewise you can draw the line. Now let's annotate our image with the circle, which is again there in the OpenCV. So this is the syntax of the circle. So circle function accepting the image as first argument, then center coordinate, and the radius, color, thickness. So these are the arguments of the circle. So here again, I have created the copy of the image, first original image. So here image circle I am using, the copied image is there in the image circle. Now you can see this CV2 dot circle, image circle is my copied image, and on this image I want to draw the circle. So here in circle center what I am providing? I am providing this point like 170, 200. So these are the center point, and here radius I am providing as 100. So instead of this, again you directly mention the point over here, and this is the color of the circle. So BGR, so my circle is in the red color. Thickness of the circle is the 3. Line type is equal to CV2 dot line underscore AA, and this is for displaying that I am show the image circle. So that circle I am displaying. So let me run this. Yeah, you can see here, this is how we have drawn the circle. So here I am focusing the mouth of the dog. Now let's annotate our image with the filled circle. So again we are taking the same circle, that above circle, and if we want to like fill the circle with the solid color, so what we are doing, simply we are passing thickness is equal to -1. So in the earlier case we have passed the thickness is equal to 3. So it will draw the hollow circle, and if you are mentioning thickness is equal to -1, so it is a filled circle. So this is only small change. Other code is as it is. So again, let me run this. You can see this is the filled circle. Only what I have changed, I have changed the color. So B value I have mentioned over here as a 255. That's why the circle with the filled color, and that color is the blue color. Okay, now let's annotate our image with a rectangle. So this is the syntax of the rectangle. The rectangle is having these many arguments like image. The first argument is the image, then starting point, that is the top left corner, end point is the bottom right corner, then color and the thickness. So these are the argument of the rectangle. So same, you can see here the rectangle, CV2 dot rectangle, we are passing the image, that is the on which you want to draw the rectangle starting point. So here starting point I have taken as a 90 comma 90, then end point as a 300 comma 300, then color here I want that rectangle in the red color, so that's why I am mentioning 255 as a red value. Other values are the 0, and the thickness is equal to 3, and line type is equal to CV2 dot line underscore 8. So this value I am considering, and again after that image we are displaying with the help of a cv2.imshow method. So simply run it. You can see this is how you can draw the rectangle. Now I want to annotate the image with the ellipse. So ellipse syntax is similar to the circle, only instead of that radius we are passing here the major and minor axis length, then rotation angle and the starting and end angle of the ellipse. So that things we are changing here, and other things are same. That is the image. First argument is the image. Second one is the center coordinate, and the axis length, angle, starting angle, end angle, color and the thickness. So this is the syntax of the ellipse. Now same thing I am doing over here, the creating the copy of the original image, and you can see here I want to draw the two ellipse, that is horizontal ellipse and the vertical ellipse, and horizontal ellipse is in the blue color. You can see here 255 is the value, and that vertical ellipse is in the red color. Okay, so here cv2 dot ellipse, and you can see image ellipse. So this is my original image, or we can say that we have created the copies of that original image, and on this I want to draw the ellipse. After that ellipse center, so center point I am mentioning as 190 comma 190. So instead of taking here, now you directly mention the point over here if you want. After that axis 1, so axis 1 is the that major and minor axis length, so that I have taken as 100 comma 50. Then color, sorry, that starting and ending angle, that we are mentioning as this one 0 and 360, and this one is the rotation angle, then color and the thickness. So this is how you pass the parameter for the ellipse. Let me run this so you can see. This is the horizontal. So color is the blue one and this vertical is having the color as a red one. So this is how you can draw the ellipse on the image. Now here I want to annotate the image with the text. So for adding text, we will be using the put text function which is there in the OpenCV, and this is the syntax of the put text. So you can see put text image. So on which image you want to put the text. So that image, then the text, which text you want to put, then org. That means the starting location of that text, or we can say the top left corner of the text of the text string, then font, like which font you want, then font scale and the color. So these are the arguments of the put text. So here you can see the org is the third argument. So this third argument specifies the starting location for the top left corner of the text. Now here the font is there. The fourth argument is the font. So here we will be taking the Hershey font collection style for the font facing. And here you can see these are the font style that are there. Now how to put the text on the images. So again we are creating the copy of the original image in the image text. Now which text I want to put? So that dog image is the sad image. So that's why I have written here text as a I am a sad dog. Now the origin, that is the starting location of that text, that is the top left corner. So that is the 10 comma 400 I have taken, and here you can see the syntax is cv2.putText image text, that is the image, then which text you want to put, that is I am a sad dog. This is the origin point. Then font face. So here font face is equal to 4. That means which style I am taking, a font 4. That means I am taking this style, that is font underscore Hershey underscore triplex. This font style, font facing style I am copying over here. Then font scale equal to 1.0 and color is equal to this color. Okay, so this color I want. This is the text color, and then I am showing that image with the and show method. So simply run it. So you can see this is how you can put the text on the images, and you can see this is the starting point, that is the 10 comma 100, and this is the color value. You can see 100 comma 225 and 120. Here major value is the that green one, so that's why this type of color is there. If you want to change, you can simply change. So let me change some values. So instead of this, here let me take again 150 and let's run it. So you can see the color is changing. So this is how you can just modify the values, or if you want to modify the text, so you can modify that text as suppose I am a happy dog. That's done. You can see. So this is how you can annotate the image using the OpenCV. Thank you.